Oh my God. You're so funny, madam.
Yes, I'm funny. But why, madam? Listen, I'm Marvis, okay?
Okay, Marvis. That's good. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Collins.
I'm so happy to be here in this program. And I'm very, very sure that we all going to learn something good from it.
I hope so. I hope so. So, Collins,
Yes, Collins.
can I ask you a question?
Sure, why not?
Okay. I'm just curious. I want to know what pisses you off about your wife and what trips you about her.
Okay. There's a saying that goes this way: ladies first. So why don't you be the first person to tell me?
Oh, talking about ladies first. That's exactly why I am asking first. Collins, don't tell me you argue with your wife. Don't tell me that.
No. I'm sorry. But I'm just gonna use one word to describe her.
Okay.
She knows too much.
Ah, I noticed.
That's it.
Okay, so what do you like about her?
Oh yes. You know they said human beings are not always bad in every aspect.
Yeah, exactly.
You know I love the fact that she pushes me. I'm a kind of a procrastinator. So she always pushes me to make things happen.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Okay, procrastination simply means saying things rather than doing them
Oh,
and keep it for later things. So she's the kind of woman that pushes me to do things rather than saying them.
then you're lucky to have her as a wife.
Oh, yeah, somehow. But my wife argues with me a lot. She tends to see herself on top more than I do. And she always takes her words more superior than mine. And that is a no for me. And I didn't tell you,
What?
she doesn't like sex. While I'm a sex addict.
Really?
Yes.
She doesn't like sex.
Oh, come on.
I mean, that's exactly what I am going through in my house.
Really?
My husband doesn't like sex at all. But I, Marvis, I once he just touch me like this. I love it. I
That's
love sex more than food.
that makes the both of us.
Really?
It would be nice if we could exchange phone numbers. I hope there won't be any objection.
Oh, what? Not at all. After all, there's no one here, so we can't just. You like sex?
I do.
Really?
Looking so hot.
You like sex?
Oh my God, this is a big deal.
Very well.
Oh, I love this. I fucking love this. Hey,
I feel like kissing you all over, baby.
Hey. Stop it, okay? I don't like this. There is camera everywhere.
And what is this thing for?
Well, it's a microphone chip. They use it to listen to whatever thing that we say here. Okay? So you have to be careful.
Okay.
That's the major reason I switched it off.
Okay. So when do we see?
I think it's better we see at night because your room is not far from mine. Okay? So anytime I signal you, you'll come around.
Definitely.
But we'll have to pretend that everything is fine, okay? We'll have to pretend and do our job. Please, allow me to do my job. Okay? All right. So, be good. I'll see you later.
Hello, madam.
There
you go.
Bloda.
I don't know if they will object it here, but I think we need it here.
Bloda. What is it this?
It's wine. Taste it.
Ha! Bloda. I hope it's not that's the link that will make me sleep.
Oh, come on. No. It's champagne.
Champagne. Champagne. Ah.
Yes, you like it.
Ah.
Yeah, just... You see?
Oh.
You like it?
Hey! This is sweet. Otoka.
You like it?
I like it.
Thank
I
you.
like it. Hi, Bloda. The kind of romantic. You very romantic.
Welcome. Thank you.
Your wife is enjoying, you know.
I don't know for her. If only she will. So, tell me, what pisses you off about your husband? You know, that is what Mr. Ben asked us to discuss. I mean, what is it that your husband is doing that is making you upset?
My brother, as we are here now, nobody knows what we are talking about. Okay?
You're right.
My husband is a very local man. He's a very, very local man. Look at you now. You went to buy me drink. He's showing me that you are romantic. But my husband is always making me problem, giving me problem. Brother, your wife is enjoying. Your wife is enjoying.
Thank you. Well, to me, my wife is insatiable. There is nothing I can do to treat her, you know. She gets angry easily, every little thing. Just because I don't have the big money that she expected.
You will have to hustle all. You will hustle all so that you will chop all. See, let me tell you something. My husband is very rich. But he's very, very stingy. Do you know that we live in a very big house? Very big house, but there's no air conditioning.
Are you serious?
No air conditioning in the house. You know that you will talking. That is what you know how to do. You see, as you buy me this champagne you buy me. My husband has the money to buy me the champagne, but he will never buy me the champagne. He has money to buy one trailer, but he doesn't know how to spend on his wife. But you don't have money. You don't have plenty money, but you know how to spend the money. You see?
Fine.
One thing is to be rich and have the money and to spend it. Another thing is to spend it. You understand?
Yes,
So you're a good man.
You see, I don't have that kind of money, that huge of money, but I know how to enjoy the little one I have.
Yeah.
Yes.
Munyegi have to come down though. She have to be coming down. Your wife will have to be coming down. Because you're very, very romantic.
Thank you.
You
like it?
I like it.
Why did you do that? Why?
Why did you do that?
Because I don't want them to listen to our conversation.
Okay, now explain.
Sus, can you please calm down? Not here, please. Listen, can you just make our time so we can talk? Fine, I have a room here. Can you come over to my room so I...
What? You want me to come to your room? Well, I have my wife there.
Trix,
you want her to suspect me?
Please, just tell her you're going to have a drink with the boys. And that's it. Please. Listen, I miss you so much. I wanted to come back to you, but Sabina stopped me from... I don't want to release all this.
No,
I just want to have you in my room so I can tell you everything, please.
I won't make you think I will forgive you. Huh? Anyway, I will hear you out tonight. No, you go. I'll go my way. You go. Don't worry, I'll do it. Come on.
See you later. Oh my God, Mr. Greg, you're so funny.
You don't know me. I know why you assume that I'm funny. You know why? Because you have not tested me. If you have tested me, you would have known why they called me Icheza number one. You know, I'm that kind of man that can treat a lady. When I mean treat a lady, I mean in and out. Take care of you. I mean polish you. Then serve you food, any kind of food, financially, materially, just name it. Then put you to bed, you sleep.
Oh, Mr. Greg, Mr. Greg. Your wife is so lucky. I mean, look at all the things she's enjoying. Not that thing that is stressing my life.
Which one is my wife again? Let me tell you something about my wife that I don't like. Is that she's too small. You know, when I met her, I was thinking that maybe because she have not tested money. Instead until they are just like you. But year in, year out, I have done everything humanly possible. She's not adding. Do you know the annoying part of it? Is that immediately my mom set eyes on her, she liked her once. So I decided to marry her. Deep down my heart, I wanted to marry a chubby girl. Just like you.
Oh, please, Mr. Greg, do not flatter me.
I'm not flattering you. You understand what I mean? I'm not flattering you at all. I'm stating the fact.
Really?
Of course. You understand what I mean? When you're on a bed with a chubby girl, real men eat flesh, not bone. You understand what I mean? You see where to touch.
Stop it.
Chubby girls are referred as Nyodogu.
Oh, Mr. Greg, I mean, you are living life, my life is terrible. You know, my husband is such a lazy man. He's so lazy. He can't do anything. He can't even hustle like a man. Mr. Greg, can you believe that we don't have a car? Ordinary car we don't have.
You don't mean it.
I'm suffering.
Were you the one that came with Keke?
We are the one, no. Yes, we are the one.
Damn it. Too bad.
So bad.
Too bad.
So bad.
What is a car that an ordinary man cannot afford?
My husband is the one.
Then he's not a man.
At all. I know.
He's not a man at all.
He's not.
Do you know when I met my wife, on the very first date, I dashed her a car?
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Look at man now,
and
eh?
I Icheza mambo no. Icheza mambo abro guy name. Makanonye mi ife jabu odogu. You understand? When is your birthday?
Mr. Greg, my birthday is next month.
Next month?
Yes, on the 1st.
Oh. Yes. You know, the problem now is that you are a married woman. If not for your husband, I would have just called my car dealer. He will bring one car here now.
Tell him to bring it. I don't want my husband. Let him bring it.
You don't want your husband?
No, let him bring it, please. I need it. It's very important. I'm suffering now.
So you are willing to divorce your husband?
No. I will sign the divorce paper.
But number.
Eh?
Number. Don't mention when I put it. Put your number there. Baby.
Stop it. Stop, this is my number.
Yeah, come here.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
You sent for me, sir.
Oh, yeah. I think they should be through by now. So, I want you to stop them. Okay?
Okay, sir. I don't know, sir, but I really think this program will really be funny.
Funny? I don't get you. Is there something you're not telling me?
No, sir.
Okay.
So I think.
Talking about him. Yes. I saw that he was angry. And I think he's part of this program. Who is he?
Yes, he's part of this program and he's Chika's husband.
What?
What's that? What's the shock on your face?
Nothing. Just nothing. Nothing really. Just that I didn't know. Oh, okay. It's fine. So tell me, what do you have with him?
It's personal.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's fine. Okay. Very well then. Just stop them, okay? And tell them to meet us. They should meet us one after the other. They should meet us at the restaurant.
We'll do
okay?
just that, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, nice.
Good.
See you soon.
Bye. What does she have with chicks? What is going on?
Everything changes. How could you forget? So soon that man proposes, but God disposes.
All right, please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So how are you?
Fine.
Fine. That's good. Mrs. Joy. Mrs. Joy, I want you to know that if you want this program to be fruitful to you, it's in your hands. If you still want to waste your time and money in this program, it's still in your hands.
Well, I really want it to be fruitful. That's why I'm here. But my husband, my husband can be so annoying.
It's okay. I understand that. But I want you to know that we are here to repair the damage. Okay? But in your case, it seems that we are going to encounter so many damages. I mean, we are going to damage in order for us to repair.
How? What do you mean? I'm lost.
Okay. We are here for your marriage to work. And I want to assure you that your marriage will work. Your husband will love you again. But you have to help us. In life, we have several kinds of divorce that happens to people before they even get married. Number one is divorce, philosophical divorce of ideologies. So many people, your ideas are not in line with your spouse, but you don't even discuss it. You end up wasting time discussing irrelevant things and going out to functions and going out to parties, going out to restaurants and all that without knowing there are key things you need to discuss with your spouse before you venture into that marriage. If your ideas are not in line with that of your spouse, that marriage will not work. The Bible even said it that two cannot work unless they agree. Two cannot coexist unless they agree. So your ideas must be in agreement with that of your spouse for your marriage to work. Number two is locational divorce. That's when you talk about long distance relationship and all that. Number three is divorce of financial divorce.
That is the problem. Money. There is no money. There is no money.
I understand. But I want you to know that if you played your card well before you got married to him, you would have known this and you address it before getting married to him. You can't while away your time while dating him. Then at the end of the day, when you're married, you complain. These are the things you need to fix.
What can I do?
Don't worry yourself. I will tell you what to do. I will outline like 10 factors that will help you. before the end of the program. Okay? But I want you to know that whatever thing that we're going to discuss here, I want you to keep a secret. Do not tell your husband. It's not a bad thing, but I don't want him to know till the end of the program.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
No problem. I'm ready to listen.
Good. So.
Oh my God! Yes.
What's all this? Why are you so excited?
Baby, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh my God, I knew I'll be happy here. God has done it for me.
Me too. I'm so happy.
Really?
Very, very happy.
You need to be happy.
I mean,
you need to be happy.
The organizers of this program actually know what they're doing.
Exactly, they know what they are doing. Guess what? Hi, my partner. My partner is a man. When I say man, I mean man. Odogu, man with class. Man with too much money. His money is plenty.
Wait. Was that what you both were discussing? Mm-hmm. About who is rich and who is poor?
Is anything wrong with that?
Wow. Mine is going to bed.
What is wrong with you? Who talk about sex here?
Did I talk about sex?
I report it to the organizers. So why would you do that now?
Did I talk about sex? Did I talk about sex? Only say she's good in bed.
Stop saying that.
Stop what? Say, why will you be talking about who is rich and who is poor?
Is he not rich?
Yeah, she's good in bed. Please stop that.
Stop doing that! What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I just want you to make money. That's it.
She is good in bed.
No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. You should know this. No perfect man, no perfect woman.
I will do it.
No perfect person.
I love this gathering. This is the best place to be.
Me too.
Where are you going to?
Well, I'm going downstairs to meet up with the guys for a drink.
Wow, really? My regards to Mr. Pratt, an obedient husband.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you wouldn't want me to tell you about my own partner. How romantic, beautiful, and respectful she is.
Don't even dare. Let me not believe you both left what you're supposed to discuss and you're discussing something else.
Likewise you. Well, I don't have anything to tell you until after this program. You know, it feels so good to have a wife that is beautiful, romantic, and very respectful.
Marriage is reality. Marriage is practical. So, stop.
Chai! I wish you to know. I wish that helly of a man is not married. He is just the kind of a man that I hope to God that I want to marry. The problem now is that he doesn't have enough money. But the small one that he has, he spended it well. He enjoyed it himself well. Tomorrow, I am going to ask him something. He's a graduate. He will tell me.
Did you register with your one day before?
What kind of talk is that?
Because you're smiling alone. All alone, you are smiling. What is this problem?
So it is bad now that I am smiling. I should be crying. Yeah? I should be crying. Please leave me alone. Let me think about my life.
What is that you are thinking about your life? That you are all alone. Thinking all alone. Smiling or Smiling all around.
What about you? Since they told us to go inside, but you have been outside with who?
I was delinking.
You was delinking.
I was delinking with Menses. So even Menses how can I buy one?
Speak English, illiterate.
Don't illiterate. Go and put water for me to bath.
Huh? Okay, biko. This is not our house. This is not our house. There is showering in the bathroom. There is showering there. You go there, use the showering, and you bath. If the showering is not working, you use the bucket there, and you bath. Don't disturb me. I want to think about my life.
Mommy, you let it not to be that you started thinking about pairing with man pairing with you.
English. Swa English.
Are you do you speak more than I speak?
I speak it more than you.
When I was delinking with Menses, one man wanted to Baliam share concombility. They started the clapping.
It's so concombility. Concombility. You failed and you failed it. It's concombility.
It's not a concombility.
It is a concombility.
It's concombility.
Concombility.
Hey! What is this you are doing?
Honey, just come over. Come to the bed, okay? I'm in the mood. Come.
To come and do what? Listen, I'm not in the mood. We came here for something very important, not sex.
I'm your wife, oh. Not your girlfriend, your wife. Why are you doing this? Why you deny me of this pleasure and happiness? You know how much I love sex. Why are you doing this? When we came, I told you to do it. You said I should relax, that in the night you give it to me. Now you're saying you're not in the mood. Where's your mood always going to? Did you drop it at home?
Listen. We can't do this, okay? Tomorrow is going to be a hectic day for us, so we need to sleep.
So you want me to sleep in this mood that I'm into? You want me to just sleep like that? This is not fair. This is not fair. Remember, I've been paired with a man. Do you think he's not handsome? Don't make me do what you want.
Hey! Stop that nonsense! Are you threatening me or what? Huh? No, are you threatening me? Behave yourself. Okay? Behave yourself. You are not the only person that was paired with someone. Listen, don't get me mad. Elena Wagi, do not get me mad. Now shift, I want to sleep. What head?
Even if it's the cap, just put it like this. Let it just be there.
What cap? Please allow me to sleep. I don't understand. Who did this to you? You were never like this before we married.
Huh? It's a lie. I was like this.
Oh.
No, don't worry. I wasn't like this. Just give.
So you were hiding yourself. Listen, I'm not in the mood. Allow me to sleep, my friend. Allow me to sleep. Listen, allow me to sleep.
Okay, since you don't want to stress yourself, just like that, I will be on top. Don't do any work. Don't shake. I will do the work.
Do you want to rape me? Oh, you want to rape me? Don't get me out. Okay?
Please, I want to sleep.
What do you mean, what is it?
Please, I want to sleep.
So you will not deny me of yourself?
You can say whatever you want to say. You know, be human. I have the right to say no. I'm just sleeping.
Fine. What if I report you to Mr. Ben? Let him know that you are giving me the reasons to cheat on you in this program.
Sorry, what did you say?
You heard me right.
Oh, really? You think I don't know? Go and meet her now. Maybe you want to meet her. Go and meet her and you will watch me bring Mr. Greg to this bed. I will spread my leg very wide, very, very wide, and he will give it to me anyhow I want it.
Jesus
before
Christ.
Your very eyes. Yes.
Can you listen to yourself? Fine. Then you two watch me because I'm going there to bring her out and do the same thing with her. I mean my partner, yes.
Eh?
Yes!
Come back here now.
No, let me go.
Come now.
Let me go.
Come back. Come back. Come back. No. What is it now? Eh? Are you the only man that is paired with someone? Eh? Behave yourself now. Control this thing now. Can't you control it?
Stop that. When I have wife.
Can't you pet me? Eh? Pet me now. Beg for this thing. You have to beg for it. Come and do. You know that 2 minutes thing you used to do? Come and do. Come and do.
That here is 2 minutes.
Come and do. Let me sleep.
But you used to enjoy it.
Enjoy what? Enjoy what? I was only shouting out of frustration.
Okay, come on.
Come and do.
Oh, one thing that I would have loved is to have Pat as my good friend. I wish I was lucky to marry a man like that. I will use his money to make sure that my education gets to the last point. I will have my PhD in Australia. Oh, if I had married a man like that, he will adore me. He will worship me. He will see me as his pride. Not this one that I married. He never treasures me. All because he thinks that he knows too much. When I'm studying, he's studying. Oh, Mr. Pat, you are the kind of man any academic wife needs. Someone that you will be educating. Not one who thinks that he is too much. Hi. He's not sleeping. What could he be thinking? Let it not be that he is thinking about that lady they bed him with.
Oh, why would Man United do this to me? Why? Why would they allow Chelsea to do this to us? Kai. I feel so bad right now. Imagine Chelsea. Chelsea we should be ahead of. Now they are ahead of us. All because of the mistake this useless boy did.
You aren't sleeping out as well. What are you thinking and why did you hiss?
I'm thinking exactly what you're thinking.
What? Don't tell me you're thinking about that woman.
Wait. Were you thinking about that man too?
Me? No. I was disturbed, so I couldn't sleep.
Me too.
You too. Why did you hiss? If you're not thinking about her, then why did you hiss? What has come over you? What is going on? Are you falling in love with her?
Hey woman, please.
Please what?
Please.
You don't want this marriage anymore? Do you want to end this marriage?
Please woman, please. Not this night. Allow me to sleep. You won't be another Man United for me tonight.
Sorry, I forgot. Baby, I'm sorry. But there is still ticket to be a backup fan. Oh, he was thinking about football. Wow, good man.
sure that this is love? Love, love, Only Jugwana. Opposite one love, love, you're sweet love. Oh, Jugoyaya. You're sweet love, Jugoyaya. Love, love, Only Jugwana. I feel if I could be a lover. Oh, love, you're sweet love. Chai, oh, Jugoyaya. I say the sea, love, I'm go one so. Love, love, they strong. Love, they give wala to people who want them. Love, they give peace to people who need them. Love, not choice, why you they complain? Marriage is not by force, so in no go by. Are you sure that this is love? Love, love, Only Jugwana. Opposite one love, love, you're sweet love. Oh, Jugoyaya. You're sweet love, Jugoyaya. Love, love, Only Jugwana.
My God, I don't know how I'm feeling right now. Really? I hope your husband won't see us or catch us.
Husband? Does it look like I care? I don't care. If you like, let him come and catch us. All I want right now is you. Help me? You. Just give it to me. Give it to me.
Hey. I don't understand. My wife?
Yes, your wife. And so, Greg, and so, you should be grateful that someone is right here helping you perform your duty.
Exactly.
So you should be happy.
Exactly.
That's
She's
my
right.
wife.
See, you have no right to complain. After all, you were paired with another woman. And I was paired with her. And the instructor clearly instructed us to do it.
Yes. To do it.
To do it.
Collins, the instructor gave an order to sleep with my wife. Is it what you're trying to tell me? Eh? So they pay you with my wife for you to be sleeping with my wife in my own bed.
Craig, why are you so ungrateful? He's just helping you perform your duties. Why are you so ungrateful? Eh? Why are you so ungrateful?
Look at this move. You should have been using it to, you know.
Now he's gone. And I am in the mood. What will happen to me? I know you won't touch me. Why are you doing this to me, Greg? Why?
Can you listen to yourself? Anyway, I don't have time for this. Get up there, get your things, and get the hell out of my room. This minute, this moment.
You lie. What babies are your child. You lie.
Listen.
Leave which room?
Listen. Don't make me repeat myself again. I say you should pick your things and leave this room. This marriage is over. I am done with you for good.
Yeah, I'm not done. If you're done, no, I'm not done. Yes.
You want to know what I'll do to you, right? You really want to...
What?
Why?
You know, I do not like this.
Is that part of the agreement? Why would you have to sleep with someone else's wife? Why would you do that?
Madam, I could remember you said we should be with our partners all the time.
Exactly.
You are very, very stupid.
Mind your words, man.
If I don't mind my words, what will you do? So all this your bling bling and your cheap eyeglasses to sleep with my wife, Abby? You are finished.
Oh, Miss Rose.
What? You saw this man here that calls himself my husband. He has been denying me sex even before we came here. Is that a good reason to do what you did?
No, ask her. Ask her. Is there another thing you are good at if not sex? Sex in the morning, sex in the afternoon, sex in the night. You are no longer good in any other thing if not sex. Look at you now. You are gymming. All this your muscle, you are exercising to my wife. Here they make your mate are looking for money.
Mr. Man, you're not man enough.
I'm not man enough.
Tell him.
No, look at you who is man enough. With all your muscle, you are exercising to my wife. You should be ashamed of yourself. Your mate are looking for money and you are looking after my wife's waist. You are very, very stupid.
I still maintain my stand. You are not man enough.
I don't blame you.
Is there any other thing you want to say, Mr. Greg?
What I want to say, madam, listen to me. What I want to say here is that I am done with this marriage. Adema Anuzi, I'm not man enough.
Mr. Greg, hold on. The lady standing by you is Mrs. Grace. She's actually Mr. Collis's wife. And by the power vested on me as the assistant coordinator of this program, I command you to take this lady beside you, take her to the room and do whatsoever that you wish to do. Go.
Thank you very much.
Hey, that would happen. It would happen.
No.
That's
my wife. I want my wife.
Mr. Collins,
Continue
with her.
I want my
Continue with her. Go on. Yes, continue what you started. Go. Have a nice day.
You can't do this.
I want my wife.
I want my husband. What? You want to leave me?
I want my wife.
Oh, you want? I want my husband
What is it?
Thank God it's a dream.
A dream? You're having a bad dream?
Yes. I dreamt where you were chased by a lion and then the lion caught you and killed you.
Blood of Jesus! Then let's pray.
Let's pray what? Praying.
Wait.
Let's do it now.
Wait. Don't tell me you are actually dreaming about it.
You can wish anything from today till tomorrow. Wish, you can wish anything from today till tomorrow. But marriage is not all about wishes. Kimalukwa. Marriage is reality. Marriage is practical. So, igagaje itefendidi. Stop complaining. Stop regretting. Cause this will scatter your...
And where do you think you're going to?
I can sleep. I just want to go downstairs and have some drink. I mean, other men are there drinking.
By this time?
I'll be back soon.
You should know this. No perfect man, no perfect woman, in marriage. No perfect person in marriage. No perfect man, no perfect woman, in marriage. No perfect man, no perfect woman, in marriage. Everything changes. How could you forget?
What? That girl did all that? As she pretended when I was coming. As if she did nothing.
I'm sorry. Listen, I was actually happy when I saw you, but I was so scared. I felt you would kill me. But listen, I'm not so happy to see you again.
It's okay. I've forgiven you. I can't continue being angry with you after all you've told me. It's okay.
Cheers. Listen, I still love you. I've never dated any man since we parted. So I don't know, what do we do?
Rose, I'm so sorry I cannot do this, okay? The trauma you left on me has really disturbed me. I've not wedded my wife because of the trauma. And I've actually gone to collect back the dowry I paid on you when I returned from abroad.
Chicks, no.
Yeah, I did.